Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto G32, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages you will see a screen recording toggle. If it's not on the first page, you can swipe to the left. This will show you the second page, and it also looks like it's not here, so I'm going to continue swiping, and it's right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can tap on it. This will bring up this pop-up right here, so we're just going to select Start. It will begin a countdown from 3 and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. You also have a couple options in here, so we can tap on it. We can draw on the screen. You can change the color if you want to. We have the microphone to basically record your voice. Then we have a camera, so this enables the selfie camera right here. And we have a pause option and also stop option. Once you stop it, it automatically saves the screen recording to your gallery application. So I'm assuming it's going to be photos here. Yep, photos, there we go. And in here we have the screenshots should be visible somewhere at the front, but if they're not, you can navigate to the library, and in here you'll find a screen recording album, and obviously from here you can view the actual screen recording itself. Give it a second and you'll see, there we go, the drawings. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.